We're in Springfield Oaks again because I want to show you our newest listing. Not this one, it's under contract. This one. Welcome to Springfield Oaks. This is one of the fun 4-level floor plans in the neighborhood. And I love how this kitchen is towards the back that leads you right outside to your wooded overlook. The bedrooms stretch across the width of the home, but I'm sure you didn't expect this, a 4th level loft. And the best part? Your backyard is the gateway to everything Springfield Oaks has to offer. You know that I know Springfield Oaks, and now is the best time to move with Martina. Welcome home.